This is Michael in his natural habitat. He has a fetish for chasing squirrels. All of our children have a squirrel fetish. I don't understand it. They see a squirrel and they run off and they chase it everywhere we go. We are here in Nauvoo, Illinois. Boy, let me tell you, I actually grew up in Ohio, so somewhat used to heat and humidity, but it's been a long time since I've been to Ohio, and let me tell you, I am no longer used to humidity. It is so hot here and humid. Whew, you come outside and you immediately are wet because it's so humid. But anyways, we're here in Nauvoo, right here along the Mississippi River, which has been awesome. Anyways, we're gonna check out the sites here in Nauvoo. For any of you that don't know, Nauvoo, Illinois is a historic site for the Mormon Church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So we're gonna check out a bunch of those sites while we're here in Nauvoo, and we're excited to bring you along with us to see what this little town has to offer. Hey, Adeline.
What?
What are you most excited to see in Nauvoo?
Everything.
Everything? That's a lot of stuff. I love your braids. Let me see. Ooh, pretty. All right, Michael, tell me. What are you most excited about seeing in Nauvoo?
The temple.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see that.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I was on Nauvoo, that temple wasn't here.
Really?
Yeah. It was just a piece of bare ground.
That's gonna be interesting. Traveling around makes me realize how much I miss Idaho, because we're here in Nauvoo and it's hot and humid. I'm like, I just want to go back to Idaho where it's cold in the winters but not too cold that you're like, I can't go outside or my limbs are gonna turn into ice. And then it's warm enough in the summers that you're like not like melting into a pile of squash, but you're like warm enough that you can swim. And yeah, that's why I miss Idaho.
You want to stop traveling around?
Well, I didn't say that.
If you're ever in this part of Illinois, I would highly recommend you stop here at Nauvoo. The great part is you don't have to be LDS to enjoy it here. What's so fun is they do an excellent job at showing what it was like to live on the frontier, to pioneer and develop a new area. It's been amazing to see that. There's so many fun things to take part of, from plays that they call pageants to little skits, and they even have a replica brass band and actors that are around, and it's lots of fun. And the great thing is it's all free. None of it costs anything, which is really nice for a family our size, because when things cost, it adds up pretty quick.
Talk about the horse and the cow.
And trying to sing a ballad or two.
I sit and listen as I watch the fire and the cobwebs filled my head. Next thing I knew, I'd wake up in the morning in the middle of the earth with a bed. There's 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, soft as a downy chick.
Sarah.
Dad, come on.
All right, all right.
Well, we said the rain's been following us. We were watching the British pageant here in Nauvoo. I don't know if you can see us really well or not,
But we're drooping.
but we are soaked. Right near the end of the play, all of a sudden a torrential downpour started.
Like
And
wringing
we,
your clothes out wet.
yes, we are all soaked.
I can't
To the
barely
bone.
take my shirt off me. It's so wet. Oh, yeah.
Nice hat, Adeline.
Paper hat.
Adeline's ready.
She's got her paper hat on. Good job. Oh, poor babies.
Well, we're gonna sit here for a minute, let some of the crowd clear out, and then we're gonna head back to our trailer and dry off. Whew, boy.
Welcome, Illinois. We brought rain. And it's free.
household goods, everything you're going to need when you get almost 2,000 miles from here and have to start a whole new life. And you couldn't put very much in here. A lot of families would have more than one wagon, and they'd have more than one team of horses or oxen for each wagon, so they could trade them off. But they would walk along the side. These oxen would go about 2 to 3 miles an hour, so it's easier to keep up to. Where a team of horses, you couldn't ride on those wagons either. And all the children, the whole family had to walk, and they would go a little faster. They go about 3 to 4 miles an hour. A little harder to keep up with those. And the horses, or the oxen, fared a lot better.
Well, we have been here in Nauvoo now for a week, and we are off. I worked this morning, and now we're going to be heading out. Going to be heading to Kentucky to Mammoth Caves, and going to meet with my sister there and her husband and her new little baby, and we're excited to meet them. But Nauvoo's been awesome, but now it's time to move on, and Kentucky, here we come.